right, we're here in the LFA. We're gonna do a quick video here showing the different modes in the instrument cluster. It's pretty neat. Looks like I got wipers on. There we go, turn those off. Okay, started neutral. Then on the steering wheel here, there's the buttons here on the left. You hit it right. The tachometer there slides over to the right, and then you get the menu, which you can go status, trip info, oil level, oil maintenance, it was just recently serviced, tire pressure. You get the lap timer, you can adjust the brightness, you can also change the rev indicator there when it goes off, or just turn it off. Change the speed there. Then in settings, you can change the needle color, peak rev, change the clock, different shortcuts here. Then units, temp, and language. And then if you hit left on that, you can turn that off and on right there. Adjust it from there. Then on the knob here, you're just gonna go, there's wet mode there, and you have normal, sport, and then if you hold it, or you press the button here, it goes into auto. There's wet, manual, normal, sport, and then auto there. All right, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below or use the contact seller button. Good luck with the rest of the auction.